Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and behind the camera is my husband, Mr. Marcel Kemp, and we are so grateful that you are tuning in with us today. Thank you so much for your continued support of our work. Now today we are in Low River, Trelawney, and we are at the Low River ECI. Would have reached out to us, because they are in need of some items for the children, and so in a little while, we'll be talking to a number of the staff members. But before we do that, please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. So once you post a new video, you will be notified. All right, so let's go meet them.
Good morning. My name is Doreen Lewis Brown, principal of the Low River Basic School. And here we have been in operation since 1986. And coming down through the years, we have had the population of the school. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. But thanks be to God, we're still operating.
What's your population right now? What's the enrollment?
We have 44 children at the moment.
Okay.
Yes, and by God's grace, we hope to increase, but we are faced with a challenge of desks and chairs at the present moment. Yes.
Right, because you would have reached out to us based on your need.
Yes.
So is it, explain to us some more, because I hear you say that, you're short on desks and chairs. So what are the challenges really?
Well, since the COVID and we had to close down and so on, we had other desks and chairs, but they have gotten
they're old.
Yes, and we have to throw them out.
Okay.
So that's why because at one time we had over 60 children.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, so your population would have decreased somewhat.
Yes. But those are what we are challenged with now. And another challenge is for another we have a tank, a storage tank, but we are in need of another one because we have to service the bathroom around there for the children.
Okay, so what type of tank is that? Is it one of those black tanks?
Yes.
Okay, so you need an additional tank.
Yes, miss.
And in addition to desks and chairs.
Yes.
Okay, because you were explaining to us earlier that you had to turn back some students just this week.
Yes. They want, because we normally take children September, and so we take some in January as well. But for January now, we have to turn back some parents because we do not have enough desks and chairs for them to sit on.
Okay. How do you normally acquire, furniture for the school? Does the school fall under the Ministry of Education?
Yes, and we have sent in requests for those, but recently I was told that we could seek these from Food for the Poor.
Oh,
yes.
So how is that going? Was it something you attempted to do?
Not yet.
Okay. All right.
So we about 7 years or so ago we bought plyboards, and a gentleman made some decks for me.
Okay.
Yes, to change out some of them.
Okay.
So we don't know if we could do that again, but we would still need chairs.
Okay.
Suitable chairs for them to sit on.
Okay. But you're saying if you were able to get plyboard, then you could do some construction of this?
Yes.
Okay. What is your staff like? How many persons do you have on staff?
Well, presently I have another teacher, and I have a youth worker and a cook.
And that's Miss Louise.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I don't know. You could probably give us a tour, just so we can see what the place looks like, and also the tank.
Okay. We have a 600 gallon tank now.
Oh, where is it? At the back?
Yes, it's at the back.
Oh, okay.
But we would like another one to place on that side to service the bathroom around there.
Okay. How is your PTA? Do you have a strong PTA?
Yes, miss, because we had a heritage celebration the other day where we said we would raise funds to purchase the tank. Yes, but we only acquired 23,000.
And what's the cost for the tank?
Well, the 1,000 gallon tank is 63,000.
Okay, okay. So you're short just around maybe 40,000. They're
Yes, yes,
about
yes.
40 something.
Yes. But
Okay.
they are willing to work. But because one parent even said we could do another fundraising
Razor.
in the new year, but we would, because from January to April is kind of dry. We would want the tank before January, so maybe we could
Oh,
get some water.
right. Have
Yes,
some
because
water stored
yes,
up.
yes.
Okay, so
It's normally a drought in this area from January to April. So.
okay, okay. So how is this area does not have running water any at all?
No, there's a source down by Lorva, where Patmore set up a catchment area. So people will go there, like the trucks and so on. They will catch water, get water and sell to other persons, because that's where we have to buy from when our tank is dry.
Okay, okay. So how is the teaching and learning here?
It's good, it's good, but the noise level is challenging to us, because we have to part the
Do the partitions for the classrooms?
yes.
Okay.
So we are working. We are going on well.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So just to reiterate, so your immediate need would be for more desk and the chairs
Yes.
and the black tank.
Yes, yes.
All right. All right. Okay. So we'll just go in and have a look.
Okay.
So which class is this?
Okay,
now?
this is the class for the 5-year-olds.
Okay.
These children will move on to primary school come September. Yes.
Okay. So how many students?
We have 10 students in this class.
Okay. 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 And that's which class now?
This is the 4-year-olds. These are the 4-year-olds. We have 11 students in this class.
Okay. Okay. So you have 10 in the 5-year-olds and 4-year-olds are 11.
Yes, miss.
I see what you mean about the noise challenge.
Yes.
Because the blackboard is not sufficient to block the noise.
No.
Oh wow. Okay, and that's class 1 over there.
Yes, miss. These are the 3-year-olds.
Okay.
These are the 3-year-olds. Yeah.
Oh, so you have more 3-year-olds.
Yes, we have 23 students in this class.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay. But if you had more desks and chairs, then you would have more students here.
Yes, miss.
All right.
And this is our youth worker, Miss Camille Carter.
Camille. Oh, hi. Hi, Miss Carter. So you have the class 1. How is that for you? It's exhausting. I can only imagine. All right. And that's the canteen area.
Yes, miss. We have the kitchen here. It's our most amiable cook.
Hi, Miss Louise. Is it lunchtime yet? It's a bit early for lunch. Yes, yes. Whoa. Okay, so Miss Louise, we have to talk to you a little bit, because we'd have met some time ago. And Miss Louise called me one side. We met in Juicy Patties. Right. So initially you would have touched the base with us. Talk to us about what inspired you to talk to, because you cook here. You're part of the family here at Low River. So what inspired you to make contact with us?
I saw you help a lot of people on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Soil, the one-legged man. Who again? A lady recently, Miss Janet.
Oh, yes.
And who again?
She has been watching.
You watch already?
Yes, yes.
You subscribe.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much. Most appreciated. Yes. All right, so everybody, this is Miss Louise the cook. I think I'm gonna spend a lot of time in this area today. Yes. All right, so how you find it working here, Miss Louise? Yeah. How long have you been working here? Oh my God. Yes. Mrs. Brown, how long have you been here?
25 years.
Wow. So you both have been working together for a very long time.
Yes.
Okay. How is that
The other
going?
teacher has been working for over 30 years.
Oh.
She's not here as yet.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay. We could also, you could also help us with the cupboards in the kitchen because they do not close very good.
Okay.
And the health inspector has been down on us.
Okay.
And just to refurbish the cupboard area and so on, because every term or every new year the health inspector comes around and he has to pass especially the kitchen for us to open.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So they recommended that the cupboards be repaired.
Yes, miss. So you've heard me talking about the needs of the school. So if there's anyone out there, any organization, any company, anyone who can assist us, it will be greatly appreciated. And we will thank you very much on behalf of the students and the teachers and the board of management of the Low River Basic School.
All right, there you have it, guys. So you would have heard Mrs. Brown and you heard her plea. So if you in any way are able to assist with any desk or chairs or any monetary contributions for the school, please reach out to us at 876-512-4055. All right, any help we get will be greatly appreciated. And this is where we end the video for today. Until we see you next time, thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.